We got the two, at least two. The homies came through, ayy, the homies came through. We got fraternity, but majority is sorority. And we got the homies burning trees, ayy, the homies burning trees. We got fraternity, we got fraternity. We got the two, at least two. The homies came through, ayy, the homies came through. We got fraternities, but majority is sorority. And we got the homies burning trees, we got the homies burning trees. Ayy, we got fraternities, we got fraternities.
My flow hot, yeah, it's winter, but take your jacket off. I stopped dapping these rappers cause they've been slacking off. These jabber jaws just wanna pop like the Jabberwocks. Talk like a god with the walk of a Padawan. Bars on Babylon, I just move in silence while they Babylon. Advertise the Jordans if they have them on. Slick shit, here we go, hear me on the radio. My material has been lyrical since the D.O. Be so, know I'm a prodigy on the D-Lo. Unbelievable all the talent that's on this Negro. See you don't see, but I shine, I know you see me though. Boy, I've been the shit, the competition just the booty hole. My goal is groovy hoes who gon' show up and play the groupie role. And the movie so the Fresh Prince can act the leading role. Me, Jay, and IK showing up just to show you up. Reppin' S-Dub just because what the fuck is up? All we bring is records, shorties wanna fuck us. I won't stop for nothing till Rihanna lets me smash. I'll be coming buckets. So I'm becoming something serious. I've been in control since birth, so no period. So even thinking I'ma stop this so goddamn ridiculous. Fucking sick of it, I'm sick of syphilis.
I'm with my crew, doing what gangsters do. What's that? Going to school, ain't trying to be a hypocrite. Getting them good grades, we don't need no more statistics. The kids got all misunderstood. You don't need to be hood to spit the lyric that make the girls misbehave. I'm repping my town and I'm holding it down for all the people in the grave. I could've made a milli off of Disco Dave, but it's cool, I'm still in the come up and I'm growing every single day. If you ain't making progress, then you digressing. Every single day is a blessing. I've been through so many life lessons that I know achieving success is gonna hurt my muscles, but it's now or never, and I gotta hustle. School kids, woo! We got the two, at least two. The homies came through, ayy, the homies came through. We got fraternity, but majority is sorority. And we got the homies burning trees, ayy, the homies burning trees. We got fraternity, we got fraternity. We got the two, at least two. The homies came through, ayy, the homies came through. We got fraternities, but majority is sorority. And we got the homies burning trees, we got the homies burning trees. Ayy, we got fraternities, we got fraternities. Alright, y'all, well that's what's up. This is for all them college dudes, and fraternities. We got you, yeah. Let's go, kids, yeah.